Hi, welcome to SMAC's online tutorials. In this tutorial we'll discuss the e-commerce store, the SMAC's e-commerce store in a bit more detail, and we're going to look at how you can track the progress of an order internally. So this is how you manage an online order, how you filter by status and see what's going on in your system. Very simple to set up. We like this very much. Let's go into setup. In fact, now we'll go into show you what it. These are the options here. So we've got our orders, new orders, balance not paid, payment cancelled, no status, processing order. We can click any one of these and see where we are. Check order, pack order, contact manager, and each of the orders that will come up will relate to whatever we've added in here. So we click on this, we can see that we need a contact manager. So we've got the status contact manager. If I say status now, place order from supplier, we go in here, place order from supplier, and we're seeing that same selection again, place order from supplier. So we can see that we can filter orders not only by the payment dispatch complete, no status. We can filter. We can see here we're filtering by color. We're in processing order at the moment, these two, but also we can filter and drill down even further, and as we're processing the order we can actually filter exactly in which stage of processing we are. So obviously these will not fit your business. You're going to have different steps. There's only 5 steps you can add. So you're going to have different steps than this test. So we've got to work out how we can set our own steps. So we look into setup and we scroll down until we find processing order. So when these checkboxes are checked here, it means that that little lozenge will be activated and you can select the lozenge. So we've got our text we've added here. So you're going to add your own text. Pack and box order. Check supplier. And that will then replicate in here. Pack and box order, check supplier. And you can then select in here, and that will all be replicated throughout check supplier. We can see that an order will have certain steps, and this is our order status steps. That's the complete order. But in each order you're going to have products, and it could be that each one of those products needs to be individually itemized. It could be you need to order this product from a supplier, you need to check the product is okay. So you can also drill down to the itemized entry. So we go check customer is okay with order, and then we're going to go step 2, order from China supplier, check item once received. All checks okay. So this here is the overall order. This here is individual items that the person's ordered. So these will change depending on the product and where the order is in the timeline. So let's have a look at our orders. We've got our orders. This is our order area here. And then in here, we're going to now click down into an order. Again, we've got our order status up here. But in here now we're going to see we've got status here. So we've got the status of the individual items in the order. All checks OK. All checks OK. Check customer OK. So you can see that we've got the, I've got quite a long bit of text in here, but you can see that each one of these individual items in here can have a status. All checks OK, that means this product is ready to go. So you could check all the entries in an order that all checks are OK before you go on to another step in here. So that gives you real control over the preparation of the order, and obviously all the checks. You can set your own text in there, and all the messages are displayed in the history of the order in here. So you can see, as I've clicked all checks OK, we're seeing that. So we're seeing the person that's typed it, that's clicked it, and we're seeing here a time snapshot of the facilities that are happening in the order. So each time I'm checking something, I'm seeing it on here as well. Check customer is OK with order. Check customer is OK with order. Enter the order note and delete that as well. So you've got real control. You can see all the status checks, when the status checks were made in here. You can add your own status checks. We'll make it so that we can see all the text in here. And you've got complete control up here as well in the processing of the order. Plus you have complete control in here by easily finding orders that are in the processing stage or picking stage, or however you decide to run your business, but you can instantly check and see any items. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you learned something on the order steps. Thank you for watching.